Short radius machines are ideal for operators working on urban and residential job sites and are increasingly popular in Australia due to the requirements for roadworks and utility maintenance. That's why at Kobelco, we're excited to announce the introduction of 2 new Tier 3 models to our extensive short radius range. The SK225SR and SK235SR-7. The new SK225SR and SK235SR-7 excavators offer powerful performance and productivity, precise controllability with excellent stability and lifting, all with the benefits of a Tier 3 engine, removing the requirements for a DPF or AdBlue, resulting in lower owning and operating costs and less downtime for maintenance. As part of Kobelco's Performance X design concept, these new models benefit from the popular 7 Series cab design, ergonomics and safety features. Today we're going to take a closer look at the features on the new SK235SR-7. The SK225SR and SK235SR-7 in Tier 3 are available at your local Kobelco dealership across Australia and New Zealand. To learn more about these new models, visit our websites at kobelco.com.au or kobelco.co.nz, or by contacting your local Kobelco dealership.